باب من قال إن الإيمان هو العمل. Chapter. Whoever says that faith is action, good deeds. حدثنا أحمد بن يونس وموسى بن إسماعيل قالا حدثنا إبراهيم بن سعد قال حدثنا ابن شهاب عن سعيد بن المسيب عن أبي هريرة أن رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم سئل أي العمل أفضل فقال إيمان بالله ورسوله قيل ثم ماذا قال الجهاد في سبيل الله قيل ثم ماذا قال حج مبرور. Narrated. Abu Hurairah, to Allah's Messenger, peace be upon him, was asked, "What is the best deed?" He replied, "To believe in Allah and His Apostle, Muhammad." The questioner then asked, "What is the next in goodness?" He replied, "To participate in jihad, religious fighting, in Allah's cause." The questioner again asked, "What is the next in goodness?" He replied, "To perform Hajj, pilgrimage to Mecca, Mubrur, which is accepted by Allah and is performed with the intention of seeking Allah's pleasure only and not to show off and without committing a sin and in accordance with the traditions of the Prophet."
Al-Shaykh Hafiz Muhammad Iqbal, may Allah protect him, has compiled the verification of this hadith. In various books on this subject, he found a total of 20 narrations from Abu Hurairah radhiyallahu anhu. The references for these hadiths are being documented in detail.
Thank you for visiting our Sirat Mustaqeem channel. To listen to the English translations of hadiths from Sahih Bukhari, where the sayings of all the narrators have been compiled along with their references, kindly subscribe to our channel. Jazakallah khair.